RSWM has been in business, for the last, you can say, 60 plus years and all. You
Okay.
won't have a household in India as of now and abroad also where our presence is not felt in one form or another. So, as the name suggests, for all reasons and for all seasons, any reason, it could be a wedding or a birth,
Yes.
and this is for all seasons. Seasons means seasons of life, right from your birth and going up to your grave, we are
Yeah.
connecting, with the individuals. That was the concept, behind it.
हर धागा आपके जज्बात को समेटता जाता है। RSWM समझता है ये बस एक धागा नहीं, आपकी अपनी पहचान है।
तो RSWM एक ऐसा ग्रुप है where the diversity is endless. We have our own grey plant where we are making the synthetic yarns and dyed yarns. We have our melange business. We have our own denim plant. We have our own knitting plant. This way we are catering the entire community. So whatever the end users you find in your life, you can start from socks to cap. So everything is being covered in this, and for every ages of the life, you start from baby wear to the technical end use. So everywhere RSWM, RSWM, RSWM.
For all seasons and for all reasons, it's a tagline which is across the fraternity of textiles. We always believe in certain brands, and if they are the international brands, we always feel that they would be having some mileage against the domestic brands or anything, and in that sense we go for it. But all reasons, if you have to take it, then you need to understand that it is a made in India product. Probably we are getting value for money or for the same branding which somebody is charging it very high, but we are able to capture the same product and same finish of particular that yarn or a fiber or a product.
We are not only serving the customers, but we are serving community at large. We are serving nation at large. We are serving environment at large by our sustainable products, by our eco-friendly practices. So this is what we mean by all reasons. And when we say for all seasons, yes, in literal sense, it is serving for winter chill. It is serving for summer's warmth. It is serving for momentous occasions. But also, it is serving for different stages of life. For example, childhood, adulthood, retirement. For all reasons, for all seasons, encapsulate everything in this.
At RSWM we always talk about for all seasons and for all reasons. So in this video you will experience the Dadi who's part of the video and who's the key character of the video. She would be wearing a denim and she'll be feeling younger, much younger. She would be connecting well with her son and with her grandson also. Basically bringing parity between different ages using the same product, which is the denim.
Bringing something new to which connect our customers to the core business of the RSWM. As Melange, we states that it is the product itself is full of the colors, emotions, different type of the colors, patterns, designs, and which brings a very colorful moment into the life of a people.
I take as my primary job that I am able to create a ripple in the ocean that they are already sailing in, ताकि जब भी कोई कुछ खरीदने चले, मास ऑर्डर प्लेस करने चले, तो उनको RSWM याद आए।